Hello, my name's Ben Havery and I'm from the EMEA Cross-Border Logistics team, and today I'm here with John Sleeman, who is Lead Director of EMEA Logistics and Industrial Research. So John, whilst rail freight moves only around 9% of the domestic freight in the UK, the intermodal market in the UK has been growing significantly over the last few years. Can you tell us what's driving this growth?
Sure. I mean, as you say, the domestic intermodal market has grown strongly over the past 10 years. It's nearly doubled in size. And I think there's been a number of factors which have driven that growth. First of all, we've had much improved service levels from the rail operators. Secondly, significant benefits in terms of cost competitiveness. And then thirdly, there's a growing interest in rail freight from a number of major retailers which are looking at carbon reduction policies as part of their logistics strategies. In addition, another significant factor has been the movement of containers from our deep sea ports inland, and that's something which will continue obviously as new port capacity comes on stream, such as the new port at London Gateway.
And what about these new inland ports and these strategic rail freight terminals? These must be another major factor, and in particular I'm thinking about Daventry and the recently approved Radlett site.
Certainly, because these sites are rail connected and they provide operators with the chance to connect to the rail network, and without that connectivity you're not going to get the sort of growth in rail freight that everybody is expecting to see and are forecasting to see.
And what about beyond the UK? What about the wider potential for rail freight? I actually understand that DB Schenker have recently created a service between China and Duisburg in Germany, the biggest inland port in the world. This must be very significant.
Well, I think it is significant. The journey time from China to Germany on the rail is about half that of a deep sea container journey. And there's a number of consumer electronics companies which are using this rail link to move products from their factories in China into Europe. And of course, Duisburg is very well connected and can provide a gateway into Europe. In addition, a number of German automotive manufacturers are using the rail link to move parts to their factories and assembly lines in China. So definitely worth monitoring.
Thanks very much, John.